Excel how to use icon. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Then, open an existing workbook or create a new blank workbook. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you can apply changes accurately. Prepare a dataset where you want to apply icons and review your data to understand which values you want to highlight. Ensure the data is organized clearly in a column or table format so the icons will be applied consistently. Next, select the range of cells where you want to add icons and confirm that all selected cells contain relevant data. Go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and look for the Styles group in the toolbar. Click on Conditional Formatting, then from the drop-down menu, select Icon Sets. You will see various icon styles such as arrows, shapes, and indicators. Choose an icon set that fits your data purpose and click on the selected icon style to apply it to your dataset. To customize the icons, go back to Conditional Formatting and click on Manage Rules. Select the rule you just created, then click Edit Rule to adjust the settings. You can change the icon style if needed and modify the value thresholds for each icon. You can also switch between percentage, number, or formula-based rules depending on your preference. Adjust the criteria carefully so the icons match the meaning of your data. If you prefer a cleaner look, enable Show Icon Only to hide the numbers, or keep both icons and values visible for better clarity. Click OK to apply your customized settings. After that, review your dataset to ensure the icons display correctly. If needed, adjust the column width so the icons are clearly visible and not cut off. You may also apply additional formatting to improve readability. Finally, scroll through your worksheet to check all applied icons and ensure consistency across the data. Once everything looks correct and well organized, save your Excel file to keep all changes properly stored for future use.